Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing good. Today is pretty dull and raining outside, so I thought I'd do something inside, or one of my usual things, potting around the house. Um, I like to repurpose things, so anything that I can't find use for or it doesn't work anymore, I try to give it a second life and find some other use for it. And recently, I did a cleanup of our game room, and this little puzzle piece here. It's just basically these wooden blocks that have been cut out, and it's a puzzle that's supposed to fit together. So you sort of fit these blocks together and they all fit. There's 5 pieces to this, and it's so hard to make them fit. So what happens usually is, when we come across this, we've got this puzzle since like maybe 8 or 9 years now. It was one of my kids' puzzles, and anyway, when we come across it, we all try to fit it together, but there's 5 pieces here, they just do not go back together. And every time it surfaces, when we do a cleanup, we'll find it and then we'll say, oh, let's retry it, I can fit it, or we can do it, let's try. And then before you know it, you spent 20 to 30 minutes and we've got nowhere with it. So when we did the cleanup again, I found this, and then I thought, it looks so cute. I mean, the cutout, there's so much of work that's gone into it, and even though we are useless and we can't fit this puzzle together, I want to use these pieces to do something else. So I was thinking of just sticking it together like that. I mean, look, it just looks good even like that. I mean, maybe I could use it as a, see, the top is flat. If I put it here, the top is flat. I could maybe use it as a coaster. If I put 3 pieces, you still got that design at the bottom, I mean on either side, and then it can be used like a coaster that's big enough to keep a cup on top, and underneath looks decorative. Or maybe we can put it this side and keep the cup there. But then my son can fit 4 pieces together, and he showed me he can do the 4 pieces, but this one we cannot fit it. So it's just, well, not just particularly this one, anyone, he can only do 4 together or 5 together. So I'm gonna try to put it back together. I've tried a couple times and I've failed, because this, if we get 4 or 5 together in the certain way that he's shown me, it looks pretty good. And I thought, I can maybe stick it together and use it as an air plant holder. So I hope I can remember how he did it. So let's just see here, you can see. So goodness, I hope I don't take another 30 minutes and waste your time. So I think it, so because, yes, they go at an angle, right, so you can see there, that's 3, but this is not the right way anyway, because we still can't make a circle. It's supposed to make a sort of a circle or a square, but we just can't get the, now where does this go? Okay, damn it. Yes. Oh, but then that's not 5, that's only 4. Maybe down there. Oh, and the other one goes on top, right? Okay, right. Okay. Okay, so I got it. I got these 4. Not this one. Did that? Oh, I'm going down this same rabbit hole again. Oh, right. Now I get it. Maybe one goes on the other side. Okay, those two maybe hold there. Stay. Oh, maybe I need to make it stand. Yes. And then how can I forget this? I had it just now. This thing is just unreal. Okay, I'm just gonna do the 4 pieces that I can fit now, but actually, you know, 5 can go together. So I need to ask my son again. Obviously, I'm useless at this. Oh wait, maybe it goes. Yes. Then. Oh. Thought I had it. Let's see. That doesn't look right. But can be. Can it stand? Let's see. It stands. No. Oh, maybe yes. Okay, right. Okay, I think I know. Now. They have to set. If those two set in there, then maybe this and this one can stay out here. Right. Maybe they need to stand that way. Yeah. Goodness, this thing is. This is what happens. You think you got it, and then you don't. I checked how it went, how he had it. Yes, and the 2 on either side, and then that one came there. Oh, right. Look, I did it. Yes. I should have numbered it. Okay, so you know this looks like a good shape. Look how lovely. I mean, it's not right, but that forget about that one. This looks pretty good, so I'm gonna stick it. I've got my glue here. I'm gonna stick it together so it doesn't come out, and you can see all 4 pieces. They've, you know, the angles join, and they've made this nice shape. So I thought I'm gonna use it. Once I stick it up, I'm gonna stick it and put my air plants in here, use it as an air plant stand. So I brought some air plants. So there's my air plant. So I'm gonna hold this close. I don't want to attempt to take it apart because I'll be stuck here again. Right, so I'm gonna stick it, and once I stick it, let me try sticking one. Okay, can't let go of that. I have to use my teeth to get this glue out. There that goes again. I should put some glue on this. Right. Okay, let's do this. Okay, right, so that's gonna hold because this glue is, I need to stick the one at the bottom there. Well, hopefully that holds for now because it's in the shape. So okay, that's my cube. Look how good that looks. Right, so that's done. And then see, there's this cute opening here. I can stick an air plant in there. I hope this air plant stays there. Look how modern does this look. This looks so good. and it's this puzzle which was going to be thrown is now repurposed to, into a nice planter. So that's that. I can use that plant. I've got this little spidery looking one. No, it's not staying now. Maybe I can hook a. Okay, that one doesn't work. So this maybe air plants just need to be placed on something, and then you water them and display them again. Basically, they just need a display. So this is perfect. I mean, look at that shape of it. It's so good. So I've got quite a few air plants here. I'll just put that. No. Stay. Okay. Right. This one's too big. So it's got to be this one here. This looks good, and the other one here. This looks good. So, air plant holder done. And just like that, you can repurpose it. This piece, I don't know what to do with it. I mean, I can't. It's a single piece, but still, I can maybe just make it stand like that and put a wire on top, and then make this into an air plant stand as well. That's like what I did for this. This was just a piece of block. You can see a piece of wood, a crafting wood. I found this metal ring. It came from some gadget. I don't know from where it fell out or something, but I found it at work. So I brought it and stuck it to this wood. Look, there you go. And now it's got this holder type thing, and it was perfect for this air plant. So I just stuck this air plant in there, and it's a holder. And I can do the same thing to this piece here. I'll put some wire here, probably drill it in there and twist it around so I can make another air plant stand on that piece, so that piece won't go to waste as well. So this one looks really good. This is the main one. Look how good this is. I mean, even though it annoys the daylights out of us, it's now been repurposed and it won't get thrown away. I can display it. It's so cute. I love that design. Lucky my son put this like this and showed me, because I was just trying to stack them together like a square. So boring. Some other ideas for your air plants. So there's these two are air plants. I tied a bit of wire around a piece of driftwood. Not actually driftwood, just wood that I found that broke off somewhere. It was lying on the ground. I cleaned it up and I tied the wire there and tied this 2 pieces of air plant to it. So that's a display. And then this one is a big one that I made. Well, my partner helped me to make. It's a piece of offcut that was lying on the side of the road. Someone cut their big tree down, and this was just an offcut. So I took that, and this is an old piece of branch. So I just cleaned out the top bit of this branch and stuck it to this piece of wood. So it looks like a little tree stump. And then I'll use that to put my air plant in. Look how cute that is. And it looks like a tree. So you can just make all these little things, and just free. These things are free, and they look so sculptural, and it's so good to display air plants. Or even if you don't display any air plant, let me bring that closer. Even if you don't display an air plant in it, on its own, it looks so good just on a shelf. Look at that. You just put it in amongst your stuff. It looks like a piece of art. This other one I want to show you. This is called a banana holder. It's, I think you hang up a bunch of bananas there, like a fruit basket thing. So I took this air plant, tied it up with some string, and pushed it through this shell, and then hook it up to that. There you go. There's your little air plant holder. It looks like a what you call this, octopus, a little squid dangling there. So today's one was this main star of the show. I love this wood, so I'm so glad it won't annoy us anymore. We won't be stuck with it trying to put it together. I've now stuck it together. It's holding already, so that's good. I'll just need to put more glue on it, and I'll make this another holder and put my air plant. There you go. How cute is that? All right, I hope this has inspired you to go and find something that's useless at home or annoys you like this puzzle did to us. And repurpose it, make it into something else. Maybe you can make it into a coaster or something and use it up rather than letting it lie. Oh, and another thing is, just while I'm here at my desk, this is a candle holder, and one of my colleagues gave it to me years ago. There's 3 parts to this. They're all in different heights, and the candle got finished and it had these glass holders, which were removable, so you could take it out and use them. So I took the glass holders out once the candles were done, and I kept these rings because the rings are so lovely, and I knew I could use it for something. So you can use it to put something on it. I use it for even air plant display, so that's what I've got it mostly. I've got the other 2 kept as air plant displays. Just put an air plant in there and that's it. And I've also used it for a thin plant, so the other holder is quite high. I've used a plant, the narrow pot just fits into this round hole, and then I've had a string of hearts just hanging over it. So always think about what you can use, a second use, I should say, for whatever you have or whatever you see. Rather than throwing things, just repurpose them, restyle them, make them into something else, and that's it. That's all these air plant holders, and this is just stuff that you can find anywhere, and they look so good for your air plant displays. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll try to find other stuff because I've got loads of little jobs around the house. So have a good week, and I'll catch you soon. Thanks. Bye.